Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a flowchart in Figma. First, go to your Figma account and create a new design. I'm just going to change the color of the page here. Now after that, click on this drop down on main menu, then choose plugin. Now go to manage plugins, then search for flowchart. Click on this plugin and run it. Here you can now choose the shapes that you want for your flowchart. Just drag it to somewhere, and if you click on the arrow, you can choose the shapes to connect it to. And you can also add in another one if you'd like. You can add how many flows you want. Now to edit the text inside the shapes, just double click on it, and in here you can now edit it to however you want. You can also do that to other texts inside the shapes. Now to edit the shapes themselves, just click on them, and on the right panel, here you can change its color. Change the color of the text also to make it visible. Then if you'd like to make them thicker, go to weight and you can increase its size. And you can see now that it is changed. Now if you'd like to insert a text between the arrow, just go ahead and click on this text button. Now just type in something and you can go ahead and drag it. If you want to delete one, you can also do that. Just click on it and press on delete on your keyboard. And now it's gone. After that, you can go ahead and customize the other shapes to your liking. Now if you want to change the endpoints or the flow of the arrows, just click on these points of the shapes and you will see that the arrows changes. You can also do that to other shapes. But that's just basically it. You now have a flowchart in your Figma. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.